The city of Kandy, formerly referred to as Senkadegalapura, is an ancient one, albeit with a colorful history. In 1815, the Kandyan Convention saw the cessation of a long line of Sri Lankan monarchs and the establishment of British rule. Kandy was the last capital of the ancient kings, and today it is primarily known as the location of the Dalada Maligawa or the Temple of the Tooth. While the city is a hub of activity, travelers and tourists alike who come to witness the temple and lake often miss a unique microcosm just several hundred meters away. The Udawattakele Forest Reserve is a place for a quiet respite from the intense city life and is just a short distance away from the city center. The entrance to the reserve is behind the temple and around a 15-minute walk. During the Kandyan Kingdom, this area was known as Uda Wasala Watta, or the Garden of the Royal Palace. The early morning visitor will be greeted by a dawn chorus of avifauna and insects, thousands of cicadas creating an almost deafening sound. The forest is covered with a variety of diverse plant species, including giant lianas, shrubs, and trees. The forest is very popular with students and foreign tourists, especially birdwatchers. This forest, formerly restricted for use only by the royal family, was called the Udawattakele in Sinhalese, the Forbidden Forest. During the colonial rule of the British, in 1834, Governor Wilmot Horton built a path around the forest, Lady Horton's Drive, in remembrance of his wife. The overgrown remains of a garrison post and garrison cemetery, also from the era of British occupation of the Kandyan Kingdom, can be visited within the forest. The forest reserve was subsequently made a sanctuary in 1938. Today, easy access and the diversity of flora and fauna makes it a superb location for recreational and educational purposes. The winding road around the main pond will give you a good insight as to the sights and sounds of this location. The sanctuary is very popular with birdwatchers, and there have been around 80 species of avifauna recorded. Though the forest is surrounded by the town of Kandy, there are many species of large mammals present, some of whom are mainly nocturnal. You might witness the toque macaque monkey passing through after foraging at the temple, or even the timid barking deer, and if you are lucky, a sighting of a herd of wild boar. However, spotting the golden palm civet, slender loris, and the dusky palm squirrel may require you to spend more time. Today the forest is threatened by encroachment and squatters. However, the highly invasive plant species which are threatening the forest canopy and undergrowth probably pose a bigger threat to this fragile ecosystem.